Hi everyone, I'm Dr.D.Princy, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I'm going to explain about Python dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values, a set of values in the form of key value pair. Key colon value pair, that is, a new if they have a separate index value other than starting from 0, 1, 2, etc. like tuple and list. Dictionaries are written with the curly braces and they have keys and values. These items are ordered, changeable and does not allow duplicates. That means it contains only unique values because it referred by the key, not with the index values. For example, I'm creating a dictionary named as this dict. It is equal to within a curly brace, I'm enclosing the key value pair brand colon Ford. Brand is a key which having the value Ford. A model is a key which having the value Mustang. Year is a key which having the values 1964. Both the keys and values may be an integer value or a string value. Accessing items. Unlike list and tuples, we are accessing the items of the dictionary by referring its key name inside the square bracket. In list and tuple, we are accessing the items with the index value with the square bracket. Here we are using the key name. These dictionary items are presented in a key colon value pass. So the items are referred by it using the key name. For example, print of this dict model. Model is a key name which having the value Mustang. So it returns the value as Mustang. We also having a get method which returns the same result. This dict.get. Get is a method. So inside the parenthesis, we are using the key name. The key name is model, so which returns the values Mustang. Either we are using the key name directly with a dictionary, or we can use the get method to retrieve the value of a specified key. Get keys. In some situations, if we need to access or we need to get only the keys names present in the dictionary. For that purpose, we are using the keys method, which is a predefined method which returns a list of all the keys in the dictionary. For example, x is equal to this dict.keys. Keys is a method, so we have to use the parenthesis, opening and closing parenthesis. Then after that, the keys are stored in the x variable. If I'm printing the x, it returns dict.keys as brand, comma, model, comma, year. These are the keys presented in the dictionary. These keys are a view of dictionary. That is, any changes we are making on the to the dictionary will be reflected in the key list also. For example, car is a dictionary name which have three values: brand Ford, model Mustang, year 1964. So after creating a dictionary, I'm getting the keys values using the car.keys method and print that value before the changes. And all after that, I'm adding in another key named as color, which is having the value white. After making changes, I'm printing the same X. So I didn't use the keys method again. Already I'm assigning the keys, assigning the values of the keys method, which returns the keys method to the variable X. I'm just making changes in the dictionary and print the X again. See the output. Dict keys, brand, model, year is the first. Before we making changes, this is the result. After making changes, it returns brand, model, year, color. So that is why keys are the views of dictionary. Whatever changes we are made to the dictionary, it reflect the keys also. Getting values. In some situations, we need to access or we need to get only the values in the dictionary, not in the key. So for that purpose, we are using the values method, which returns the list of values in the dictionary. So this dict.values it returns only the value of the dictionary. Ford, Mustang and 1964 are the values present in the dictionary, this dict. After receiving the values, I'm making some changes. That is, I'm adding a I'm updating, I'm making a changes. Here is a key which is already present in that. It holds the values 1964. After that, I'm changing the values of the key as 2020. So now I'm just printing the variable which having the values of the dictionary. It is changed as 1964 to 2020. I'm not accessing the values method once again, but it reflects. That is why values also treated as the views of dictionary. Get items. If we need to get both the keys and values presented in the dictionary, we are using the item methods. The item method returns the each items in a dictionary as a tuple in the list. So it returns the value items as the tuples. For example, this dict.items returns brand comma Ford. Brand is a key, Ford is the value. Model is a key, the equivalent value is Mustang. Year is a key and the equivalent value is 1964, like this. Thank you all.